So in this video, we'll be discussing about Rapido Off-Campus Drive 2021 or Rapido Recruitment Drive 2021. So Rapido is a very good company or a very good startup. The salary is also high here. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for this job role if you are eligible for this job profile or for this job role. Also the work environment is very good. So I know this company very well. So I'm requesting all of you to apply for this job role. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the lateral hiring updates and the interview preparation videos or the guides. So recently we have uploaded minimum of 50 to 60 videos regarding latest off campus, especially in 2021. So please watch our latest videos especially. So here you can see we have uploaded regarding Cognizant, Deloitte and JetScaler and the Wipro aptitude questions and answer videos. So I'll be putting the links of these videos in the description of this video. Otherwise you can visit our official YouTube channel site and watch the videos and apply for the job roles by simply clicking on the links that we have provided in the description of each videos. So now let's discuss about the job role. Then we'll be discussing about the eligibility criteria. At last we'll be discussing about the application process. So one by one we'll be discussing. So first of all, they are hiring for the data engineer, and location they are hiring for Bangalore only. And so now let's discuss about the basic responsibilities. So creating the complex data processing pipelines is part of diverse high energy or high energetic teams. So these are the basic responsibilities you will be doing. So later you can refer all these things by yourself, otherwise it will be very much time taking. So now let's discuss about the expertise or the qualification or the technical skills or the functional skills required for this job profile. So the functional understanding of Java or Python, either Java or Python, and Hadoop stack familiarity is a bonus or added advantage. So learning ability is self-reflective, has a hunger to improve or learn new technologies, has a keen interest to drive their own learning, and applies theoretical knowledge as well as the practical knowledge. You must be liking in solving problems, designing data structures and the algorithms. Nice to have attends and participates in conferences or the meetups or the meetings and user groups. Contributes to the open sources projects like you must be having an account in GitHub, etc. It will simply attract or you can say impress the HR for this job profile especially. So then the functional or the behavioral skills or the competencies required for this job role. Actively seeking to learn new technologies or the new things and curiously experimenting is a trait that would be preferred. Excellent understanding of technology landscape, learning ability, applies theoretical knowledge as well as the practical. Focus on excellence, mentoring the teammates. Like suppose you are encouraging your teammates, etc., or supporting your teammates, etc. Then the educational or the experience required for this job role is BTech or MTech in computer science preferred or any computer science background. Non-computer science candidates or the background candidates like mechanical, civil or electrical, chemical background candidates are not eligible for this job role unfortunately. So around 2 years plus experience for the transitioned data engineers. Overall experience is required 3+ years. So for this background candidates only 2+ years of experience is required, otherwise 3+years. So if you are interested for this job role, you need to simply click on the apply now button here. After that you will be able to apply for this job role within 30 to 60 seconds. You will be able to apply for this job role. You need to type your first name, last name, email address. You need to mention here mobile number, that means the primary contact number. What is your current CTC or fixed variable? It is not mandatory, or that this field is not mandatory. If you want to put this field, then you can put, otherwise you can keep it as blank. What is your expected CTC? If you want, then you can put. What is your notice period in days? Then into simply attach your resume. After that you will be able to apply for this job role. So after that you need to simply click on the submit button here. After that you will be able to apply for this job role. Hardly it will be taking 30 seconds to apply for this job role. So if you have any doubt regarding this job profile or this job role, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below, so that we will be able to help you as soon as possible. And you can also reach out us through any other social media platforms like through email address or Instagram. You can reach us. Links are there in the description of this video. Please check and go through the other video links as well, so that you'll be able to know about the latest off campus drive. So if you are not eligible for this job role, no worries, you can apply for the other job roles as well. As I said earlier, there are 100 videos regarding latest off campus. You can apply for n number of companies, no issues. So thank you for watching and all the best for your job search.